If you think every trading course is a scam, you've probably fallen for a much bigger one. And it's not what you think. I want to be clear on that. Everyone thinks trading courses are scams. But what if I told you the real scam is believing that trading courses are scams? Something that we need to address in the building. And I believe it's something that is keeping many traders from being successful. This one thing of you believing that trading courses are a scam are keeping you from making thousands of dollars. It is the scam itself. And you need to figure out some way, somehow, how to rethink that idea, deconstruct from it, and actually start buying courses. Now, many of you are probably going to jump in my comments and be like, well, I see all these gurus making all these particular courses, making thousands of dollars off of that and not off of real life trading. I would like to say this in particular. If you spent 10 years of your life working, building a product, not only for an experience that you've been through where you went from A to Z and you've been through all the thick and thin, trials and tribulations, all the error and horror. You've been through it all. But yet at the end, you've made thousands of dollars. And now you have packaged that product to the point to where you want to help somebody out for a cheap price. Let's just say $1,500. That can make you thousands of dollars, so much to the point you can quit your job. Would you say that is a scam? Investing a little bit of your money to not only make your money back, but to make a lot of it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been lied to of believing that buying courses are a scam. What I do want to say is absolutely do your research. Make sure you are doing your research to make sure the trader has a lot of credibility, that their character are intact, that they post their wins and their losses, and that they are true to their audience. But for someone to sit here and just say trading courses are a scam, not because you didn't purchase the course, not only because you didn't even know who this trader is, but mainly because you are jealous of the trader's success, you are scamming yourself. And this is what is keeping traders broke today. If you have not realized how many people have failed in this industry and are continuously failing, and the numbers and the percentages are going up so much to the point that traders are quitting, why do you think that is so? It has nothing to do with gurus. It has nothing to do with teachers. Absolutely has nothing to do with courses. It has everything to do with the trader. So instead of sitting here and blaming the gurus and calling every single trading course a scam because you are not successful and you see their success, how about you capitalize on their success and you learn from them? How about you actually turn the narrative and you say, I'm going to invest into myself by purchasing that course that is not only expensive, but not only do I get to see everything in that course that I actually desire to learn, but I can turn it into profit. See, many traders today are always focused on another trader's success. they're not focused on their own success. This is the reason why you have a lot of guru hate in the trading space. The same people who are hating on people who sell courses are the same people who aren't making money. And I'm going to be honest with you. Do you have to trade or do you have to purchase a trading course in order to be successful? No. Do you have to rely on a trading course in only to make money? No. But what I say, are trading courses a gateway and can be very useful and valuable for your trading journey? Yes, because they are very valuable. How many times do you see a trader who say, I can just learn this stuff for free, but even though they are looking at free content on YouTube, they are asking 1,000 questions in the comments? Why? Because they need more information than just a simple YouTube video. And by large, traders do not understand this. You think you could just go on YouTube and just learn for free and think that you know every single entry, you know every single break of structure, you know every single thing that you need to do when it comes to a good setup or a bad setup. When the markets are looking ugly, you don't even know what to do. That's the reason why a lot of traders either join a group, whether it's Discord or Telegram, or they purchase a course because they want to know the in and outs. I cannot share entirely everything, my whole entire process on YouTube to you because you do not know from A to Z what the process actually looks like unless you was actually sitting looking at the charts with me minute by minute. I'm only giving you a glimpse of how I trade. I'm giving you a glimpse of what it looks like to enter. I'm giving you a glimpse of what it looks like to make money as a trader. But we cannot showcase every single detail unless it's packaged the right way. Unless you're willing to sit here for hours and hours on end watching a video of how we do things step by step. Trust and believe. How many times do you see where people watch the videos time and time again, but then they ask, how much is your Discord? Why? Because they know that it's way more information that is valuable than just watching one simple video. You have to go through the whole process, the whole journey. In fact, what's keeping you away from actually making money is purchasing those courses, is doing your research to make sure that the course is actually valuable, is looking at your budget and saying, hey, I'm going to purchase the course no matter how expensive it is, unless it's not really in my budget. Then I will save up and do whatever it takes to get that course. Or if I can't get a course, I would just join a mentorship program that fits my budget. But people do not want to do that because they're afraid of getting scammed. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do your right research, you will not get scammed. And I'm telling you, many people aren't doing their research, and this is the reason why they are getting scammed. But trading courses themselves are not a scam. So you need to rewire your brain, rethink some things over. Know that trading courses are actually valuable and know that trading courses are actually a gateway to your success. I'm telling you, would you rather sit somewhere and learn for free? And with that freedom of learning for free, it takes you about 10 years to get to where you want to be? Or would you rather go and learn from somebody, shortcut your success, pay a little bit of money up front, get that money back, make thousands of dollars? If you put in the work, you'll see results and see that result a shorter period of time, maybe anywhere from 1 to 2 years, or maybe even 6 months if you put in the work. So, what I'm here to tell you today that yes, trading courses can come up as scamming if you don't do your research correctly. But if you have a mentor you've been following for a very long time, if you see the credibility on their YouTube channel or on their social media, or maybe you have been a part of their one on one sessions or mentorships in the past, it's actually very good to consider purchasing a course. Your trading journey, you want to shortcut as much as possible so you can get to the bag. So I'm here to help you traders to know that yes, trading courses are valuable. And no, trading courses aren't a scam. I'll see you in the next video.